If you've been searching for reliable, affordable web hosting with strong features, fast performance, and transparent pricing, DreamHost is definitely a provider worth considering. In this video, I'm sharing a full DreamHost review based on real testing, including performance, features, pricing, support, and whether DreamHost is worth it depending on the type of website you're building. Right now, DreamHost is offering up to 75% off hosting plans plus a free domain name. Before we jump in, if you want DreamHost's biggest discount, make sure to use the link in the description below, which will unlock the best pricing DreamHost makes available. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from DreamHost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome DreamHost hosting discount. DreamHost has been around for more than 27 years and is officially recommended by WordPress.org alongside providers like Bluehost and SiteGround. They're known for transparency, no-nonsense policies, solid performance, and some of the most generous hosting plans on the market. And let's talk performance, because speed matters. I set up a fully functioning WordPress website on DreamHost and tested the loading speed, and on average the site loaded in 930 milliseconds, which falls comfortably under the 1 second performance benchmark you want when choosing a hosting provider. That's solid, especially for web hosting. DreamHost uses NVMe storage, which is much faster than traditional SSDs, plus built-in caching and optimized WordPress configurations to help improve load times. DreamHost uses a custom-built control panel instead of the traditional cPanel that many other hosting providers use. It's designed to be clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly, especially for WordPress users. If you're coming from cPanel, it may feel a little different at first, but most people get used to it quickly, and many actually prefer it because everything is streamlined and easy to navigate. You can manage domains, SSL certificates, backups, email accounts, and WordPress installs all from one dashboard without clutter or extra upsells. DreamHost offers 3 main web hosting plans under their discount. Web hosting launch starting at $2.99 a month. This plan includes 25 websites, 40,000 monthly visits, 25 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free 20 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, free domain for 1 year. This plan is perfect for blogs, portfolios, and small business websites, or if you're hosting multiple smaller sites. Web hosting growth starting at $3.99 a month. This plan includes 50 websites, 200,000 monthly visits, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free 40 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, free domain name for 1 year. If you want more flexibility, resources, or hosting multiple client sites, this is the best value option. Web hosting scale starting at $9.99 a month. This plan includes 100 websites, 400,000 monthly visits, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, unlimited free SSL certificates, 3 months free 60 mailboxes, free handcrafted starter website, free domain name for 1 year. This plan is for higher traffic websites, agencies, or growing businesses with multiple projects. DreamHost offers multiple billing options, monthly, yearly, 2-year, and 4-year plans. The monthly plan is convenient, but does not include a free domain name. If you want the best price and a free domain, choose the annual, 2-year, or 4-year plan. All plans include a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try DreamHost risk-free. Some key features that stand out: automatic daily backups, unlimited SSL certificates, NVMe storage, custom control panel, one-click WordPress installation, built-in website builder, unmetered bandwidth, free starter website setup, strong privacy and ownership policies. The automatic backups and included mailboxes, especially on multi-site plans, make DreamHost a great value for freelancers and agencies. DreamHost offers 24/7 support, and live chat response times may vary slightly during busy periods, but once connected, the support experience is smooth and effective. Their knowledge base and help articles are very detailed, and since DreamHost supports WordPress officially, WordPress troubleshooting is well covered. DreamHost is best for bloggers, small to medium business owners, WordPress beginners, developers and freelancers managing multiple sites, agencies, online stores, large corporations, anyone who wants a long-term, affordable hosting plan with strong value. Pros: fast performance under 1 second load times, NVMe storage, lots of websites are allowed per plan, daily backups included, free domain with annual or longer billing, transparent pricing and no upselling pressure. Cons: the monthly plan doesn't include a free domain. Control panel is custom, not cPanel, which may take a little adjusting. If you want a fast, reliable hosting provider with generous plan limits, automatic backups, strong privacy practices, and a fair renewal structure, DreamHost is absolutely worth considering. Whether you're building your first website or hosting multiple projects, DreamHost offers a powerful mix of speed, stability, and value. If you're ready to check DreamHost's current pricing and claim up to 75% off plus a free domain name, click the link in the description, and don't forget to use it before signing up so you don't miss the extra savings.